various universities outside and inside the region, and the faculty members, the Dean of the Faculty of Economics and Humanities, Dr. Hugo Bauer-Taufik, staff members, and guests. Now I would like to invite the head of the Exchange Department, Dr. Aveen and Muhammed Hassan, to give an introductory speech.
Dean of Faculty, teachers, students, esteemed guests, good morning. It's my pleasure to welcome all of you to our second symposium, which is organized by our Department of English Language, in coordination with Zakho Center for Kurdish Studies. The theme of our symposium today is the communication of culture in language and linguistics, linguistics and literature. As you know, culture is the way the life of people is expressed, of a community, and life of people, including their behaviors, beliefs, values, and symbols. These are constitute that culture, and the culture of one community distinguish it from the other community. Language is not only a means of communication, okay, today it's also a means, or it's always a means of transferring culture from one community to another, or from one generation to another. Literature depicts culture in its purest and realistic form. No doubt that the relationship between culture and language, culture and literature is undeniable and has attracted the attention of scholars for decades. This symposium offers presentations of interesting studies on the intertwined relationship between culture and language, culture and literature. Thus, the central aim of this symposium is to shed light on issues related to culture from different contexts, and how it is reflected in language and literature. Our symposium consists of two panels. One depicts the representation of culture in literature and its significance, whereas the second addresses its role in language and linguistics. 3 presentations in each panel are given, and scholars from various universities are invited to present their researches on this perspective at this symposium. Unfortunately, for this panel, one of the speakers could not join us because of some technical problems, and he is not able to be with us in person because of some medical issues. So on this occasion, I would like to thank the Dean of Faculty, Dr. Hogan, for his continuous support. I would like also to thank the Director of the Kurdish Studies Center, Dr. Abdussalam, for his staff for their efforts in organizing this event. A special word of thanks goes to our speakers who come from far away for their accepting to take part in this academic event. Thank you all for your attendance, and wish you all you enjoy this event. Thank you.
Thank you.